It's a shame.
It's the paddle holder. It was glued here. It's falling off. Here you see this is for the new stuff. You can just pull it off. It's just this is just that is with all the items. The handle was falling off. But now I'll show you the back plate for the motor. What happened there? Now look what it's completely revealed. This flap was glued here. You can still see the marks. And this is the back plate. Everything is falling apart in this boat. Here also, it's still glued attached to the boat, but also with a minor force. Just pull it off. And here also the back plate was glued into this sleeve, but it's all off. Everything. Here the handle, the finish takes it down. And we lost already the thing because then the last time when we were sailing, the whole motor came forward and things fell into the sea and we lost it already. We also have a leak. The boat slowly releases the air. And this is there's an overpressure valve. It was a nice boat for some time, but now it's over. It's done. We used the boat maybe 10 times for short trips, and that was it. More expensive, quite expensive trips, but after importing the boat, with the import duty and the purchase and transport duty, quite a lot of money.